Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, welcome. My name is Erica and I cannot wait to jump into today's small business vlog because I have a ton to get done today. So with that being said, let's not waste any time and let's go ahead and jump into it. So among the many things that I need to get done today, the first thing that I need to do is start printing off my shirt designs. And then I need to press a bunch of t-shirts because the last time that I checked that local store that I sell all my shirts at, I almost didn't have any left. And then after I press them, then I need to bleach all of those shirts. And then I need to wash and dry all of those bleached shirts. And then I need to make some more tags so that I can tag my shirts. And then I will need to tag and inventory all of those shirts before I can put them in the store. So all of those tasks are just the shirts, but obviously that's not the only thing that I have to work on today. I also have some freshie starter kit orders that I need to package up and ship out. So I'm just gonna write package orders. And then I'll need to ship those out, so then I'll have to go to the post office. And then I need to restock my Freshie starter kit bookshelf that has all of the supplies on it because some of them are pretty low. So I'm just going to write restock shelves. So that's everything that I'm hoping I can get done today. If not, then it'll all be done by tomorrow for sure.
always alone. You will always be there. Always alone. You will always be there. Always alone. You will always be there. Always alone. Always alone. You will always be there. Always alone. You will always be there. Always alone. You will always be there. Always alone.
Alright guys, like I said earlier, I do have some Freshie starter kit orders that I need to package up and ship out today. So with that being said, I have 4 kits that we're going to be packaging up. Okay, so first we have Kim, who ordered a flower and butterfly kit, and she ordered the Baja Cactus Blossom scent with that one. So I'm just gonna set that there. And she also ordered a cow with the cowboy boot with Love Spell. So I'm just gonna set those together. And Rebecca ordered the mason jar and cactus starter kit, and she ordered hers with black ice. So I'm gonna set hers there. And then Teresa also ordered a mason jar and cactus kit with Love Spell on hers. So I'm just gonna set that right here. And then they're obviously all going to need some mason jars with their kits. So we're gonna need 4 of these.
Always alone. You will always be there. Always alone. You will always be there. Always alone. You will always be there. Always alone.
All right, guys, now that I have these orders packaged up, I'm gonna go ahead and take these to the post office. That way they can get shipped out today. All right, you guys, so here is my Freshie starter kit shelves, and as you guys can see, I have a lot of low inventory that I need to restock. I need to put some more kits together. I need to pour some more aroma beads and package those up. I need to restock some of the fragrance oils. I also need to go ahead and pre-wrap some more mason jars. And then I also need to put some more boxes together and prep those. So I'm gonna go ahead and set you guys up and we're going to restock my Freshie starter kit shelves. Alright guys, so now my shelves are fully stocked, minus the Baja Cactus Blossom, because I apparently need to order some more of that. I am like completely out. But other than that, everything is fully stocked and ready to be packaged up when someone places an order. Alright you guys, that is where I'm going to end today's small business vlog, because now I need to start filming some crafting tutorials. So that's where I'm going to leave you guys today. So as always, if you liked today's video, please let me know that you liked it by giving me a big thumbs up. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to drop a comment down below. I would love to hear what you guys think. And if you're watching this video and you're not already subscribed to my channel, then please click that subscribe button down below so that you don't miss out on any of my future uploads. I would greatly appreciate the follow. Thanks for watching. I'll catch you guys next time.